Most people trying to lose belly fat are doing one thing wrong. They're focusing on the burn instead of the biology. And that's why they keep doing more abs workouts, but their waistline doesn't change. So in this video, I'm ranking 8 types of exercise from best to worst for belly fat loss. And number 8 is what most people are doing every single day. Before we start, one quick reality check. You cannot spot reduce belly fat. If that were true, everyone doing crunches would already have a six-pack. Fat loss works systemically. So the real question is, which exercises force your body to burn more energy, build muscle, and improve insulin sensitivity? That's what this ranking is based on. Number 1, heavy resistance training, combined with a high-protein diet. And yes, I'm starting with something most people underestimate, because this is not just another workout. This is the foundation. Muscle is your metabolic engine. The more you have, the more calories you burn, even at rest. And protein helps preserve that muscle while you're losing fat. No muscle, no engine. No engine, no real fat loss. Number 2, lower body compound lifts, like squats and deadlifts. Let me put it this way. If you only had time for a few exercises, this is where you should spend it. These movements use the biggest muscles in your body, which means the highest energy demand and the biggest metabolic impact. Number 3, loaded carries and full body power movements. This is where things start to get interesting. Farmers' walks, sled pushes, kettlebell swings. These don't just train one area. They force your entire body to work together under load. Your legs, your core, your grip, your heart rate, everything is working at once. It's strength and cardio combined. Number 4, big upper body compound lifts. Bench press, rows, overhead press. Still important, still effective, but slightly lower on the list because they simply don't use as much total muscle mass as lower body movements. Number 5, high-intensity interval training. Now this one is popular, and for good reason. It's fast, efficient, and it works. But here's the catch most people don't talk about. It's very easy to overdo. Too much HIIT can lead to fatigue, poor recovery, and inconsistency, which kills long-term fat loss. Number 6, moderate intensity conditioning. Not as intense, not as flashy, but much easier to sustain. And for most people, especially if you're busy or over 35, sustainability beats intensity, because the best program is the one you can actually stick to. Number 7, steady-state cardio. This is the one people love to dismiss. Walking, jogging, cycling. But here's the truth, especially when walking. It's one of the easiest ways to increase daily calorie burn without stressing your body. And when it comes to fat loss, consistency always beats intensity. Now before we get to number 8, if your current routine is mostly this next one, that might explain why you're not seeing results. Number 8, isolated ab exercises, crunches, sit-ups, leg raises. They build your abs, but they don't burn belly fat. You can feel the burn in your stomach, and still not lose fat there. Because fat loss doesn't work locally, it works globally. Here's the hard truth. You could do 500 crunches a day and still have the same waistline 6 months from now if nothing else changes. The exercises at the top of this list work. Heavy resistance training, combined with a high-protein diet, because they force your body to use more muscle, burn more energy, and improve the hormones that drive fat loss. Ab exercises do none of that. So if your goal is to lose belly fat, stop chasing that ab burn. Spending most of your gym time on your core, hoping it will flatten your stomach, now you know why it is not working. The fix is simple, not easy, but simple. Build muscle. Start focusing on exercises that use more muscle, create more demand, and improve your metabolism. Train your whole body. Stay consistent with movements that actually increase your total energy output. That's how you actually change your body. Thanks for watching. If you find it useful, subscribe to our channel. Train smarter, not harder.